How to stop sharing call history between iPhones. Let's get started. Launch your settings. At the very top, you will find your Apple ID. Open it. Now navigate to the option of iCloud. Open it. Here you're going to find this section of apps using iCloud. Click on Show All. Head towards the option of Contacts. Toggle off for it. Click on the option of Keep on my iPhone. Then open this option of iCloud Drive. Toggle off for this option of Sync this iPhone. Then head back, go to the main page of settings, navigate to the option of General, then head towards the option of AirPlay and Handoff. Toggle off for the option of Handoff. Now you have to head back, scroll down, click on the option of Shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. Once you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and then turn it back. And just for that, you have stopped sharing call history between iPhones. Well, this way you can easily turn off call sync on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.